What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oliviabosschickaddo. I hope everybody's doing fine and hope y'all's doing good. Guys, today is another episode of makeup. I promise all of you that I'm gonna do a beginner's makeup. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep watching. And again, if you want to see how I did this ponytail, you can drop a comment down the comment section and I will personally make a video on it. For now, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share, and also drop a comment down the comment section. See ya!
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just heard you found the one you've been looking for.
Alright guys, I already foundationed my face because I actually had a moisturizer on. So please don't forget to use little foundation. Like I said in the other video, just use little foundation on your face. Let's just keep rolling.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now don't forget what I told you. Don't forget what I told you. You use your concealer. So I'm gonna go in my concealer. This is my concealer. I already had some of them here already. Just a little here. I'm just going to go in with my concealer. I'm using a flat brush.
Life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands,
This is just the way I apply mine.
till my shadow
I already
turns to
saw
sun
this hack
rays.
somewhere.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the
But
highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
this particular palette serves multiple purposes. So I'm just going to put it out to you there. You know, I already contoured my face using the liquid. So we're going to go with this as our bronzer to give that darker shade in the whole area of your face. So we're just going to go in using this brush. I told you you can work with any brush. Go for whatever works for you. So we're just going to do this in this area. We want to give it a small darkness here.
through the wastelands, through the highways.
off camera to wear my lashes. I have a video of how to wear lashes using bonding glue, but I'm going to still do another video of how you wear your lashes. Okay, since I haven't highlighted I haven't set this whole thing, so I'm not using setting style. Like I said, since you're beginning, there's no point for the whole setting, so you're just going to go in with one of the lighter shade of the powder that matches the concealer, and go in like this. Go in carefully. Facial in this shape. Then I'm just gonna go the legs. It's not by force to go to this extent. If you just feel you're okay with everything, then you can stop where you stop. One small grain, right? And voila, you can go ahead and wear your lipstick.